Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna tell you about how to fix your network settings in your Poco C71 smartphone. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First, you have to first step is to you can enable the aeroplane mode like this for 10 seconds and just turn off this. And if your network setting is refresh, then it is okay, and if not, you have to go to the settings. Then friends, you have to click on the apps, see all apps, show system apps, then right here Android. Then you can see here it is Android settings. Just click on storage and cache, clear cache this, and Android system web view. Click on clear cache. Then you have to write here Google like this, and here you can see Google Play services. You have to clear cache this, then simply press back, and then you have to search here reset option, and you will see reset option from here. Just tap on reset mobile network settings. This will reset all mobile network settings. Click on reset settings, confirm your password, and just click on reset. The network setting has been reset successfully. And if your net is not coming and if there is something problem, you can just eject your SIM card, then put it in, and you can restart your device also. It will definitely fix your problem. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.